Earlier, Morini had also manufactured motorcycles together with Mario Mazzetti under the name M. Morini came under Cagiva control in 1987, then in 1996 came under Texas Pacific Group, which had also bought Ducati, and in April 1999, the rights to the name were purchased by Morini Franco Motori SpA, a company founded by Morini's nephew in 1954. After building large V-twin motorcycles early in the 21st century, the company went into liquidation in late 2010. In 1925, Mario Mazzetti, impressed by Alfonso's work, asked him to build a single-cylinder 120cc two-stroke racing bike, making Alfonso the designer, constructor, and racer. They were successful racing, under the name, and Alfonso's finest racing moment came in 1927 when his M125 took 6 world records at Monza, during the Grand Prix of Nations. These records were not bettered for 20 years. In 1933 he set a new world speed record for 175cc motorcycles of 162 km per hour. In 1937 Alfonso and Mario parted ways, and Alfonso Morini went into the production of 350cc and 500cc three-wheelers, under the Moto Morini name.